Hey, what's going on guys? It's me Anafan from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to clean a laptop cooling pad. So let's get started. First step, open the cooling pad, put the cooling pad upside down and open the locks of the cooling pad. There are 8 locks in this cooling pad. Next, put the cooling pad in its order and nail up the pad. This is the first look inside a dirty cooling pad. In this step, we're gonna use a toothbrush to clean up the fan blade. After cleaning the fan blades, now use a paintbrush to clean the corners of the cooling pad. Now in this step, again use the paintbrush to clean the front part. You can also use the toothbrush to clean in the small corners of the pad. Here is the cooling pad after cleaning, and next to is the dirt after cleaning. Last step here, you're gonna put the pad into its frame again and get it upside down, press the locks in and lock it up. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.